In this video, I will be sharing with you guys how to install the current Python version 3.11.5 on Windows 10 or Windows 11 in your system. So hey guys, I am Muzammil Akbar from Code with Raza, and let's start with this tutorial. In this video, we will see how to download and install the current Python version, that is 3.11.5 on Windows 10 or Windows 11 without any error. So the first thing you have to do is open any web browser you might like to use. So I'm open Google Chrome and type here Python download 3.11.5 and press enter. And the first site you see, click on this and scroll down, and in the file section you can see Windows installer 32-bit and Windows installer 64-bit. You can download both 32 and 64-bit, but here in my case the recommended version is 64-bit. So click on this, and in the top right corner a pop-up appears and you can see the downloading is started. So I could fast forward the video. So when it's complete, right click and opens the downloaded file in a folder and double click on this, and you can see the installation windows appear. So in the bottom you can see add Python exe to path. So make sure click on this, otherwise your Python is not working properly in your system. And click on custom installation. Make sure click on all the optional features, documentation. Pip is basically used for installing libraries in Python, and click on next. And in the advanced option, click the first one option. It will automatically click the fourth option, precompile standard library, which enhance the compilation of your code. And this is the custom location where your Python file is installing. So click on install. So when it's complete, you can see your setup was successfully installed on your system. So now go to search bar and type cmd to check Python version. And in the cmd type Python ---- version and press enter. And you can see the Python version 3.11.5 is installed on your system. So now I want to write my first code. For this, type Python and press enter. And now you are in Python, so type print, and in small braces you can type anything you want to print. So I can type code with Raza and press enter. And you can see code with Raza is printed. That's my YouTube channel name. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.